Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I will show you how you can convert your long format video into short and using AI. So if you have any YouTube videos like yours, or also you can use other YouTubers video, favorite YouTubers or any talk show that you want to convert a short format, so you can. So if you want to really make money YouTube, so you have to upload either short video or long format video. Long 2024, if you want to start your YouTube channel, you must have to upload your short format video. So like you have to create a long format video, and if you want to create like a short format, so you have to hire someone else who can edit your videos. Also you have to pay some money on editing different kind of software. Okay, also you have a good knowledge about that. You can use AI and it can generate different kind of shorts video. So I'm going to collect random videos and I will show you how you can use the tools. I will show the tools, also sign up system and step-by-step process. So don't worry, so let's get started. So you can see this is the Marcus Jones YouTube channel. And alright guys, so I'm going to copy this YouTube video URL. Mr. Beast being a YouTuber genius for 10 minutes straight. Okay, so 1 year ago Marcus Jones he uploaded in his channel. Okay, so let's open this video and let's copy the video URL. Two ways you can copy the video URL. Okay, so that's mean if you want to right click on this video, you can copy video URL. Okay, so let's grab the URL and let's go to the tools. The tools we'll be using today: tooshorts.ai. tooshort.ai. Check these tools and just simple sign up. Okay, so I will show you how you can sign up with Gmail account. And here you can see the different kind of angles you can move, and you can select the different output and it will make this kind of videos. And let's check the very important, is it free or not. Here you can see it's free though, so you can use 30 minutes per month. That's mean you can produce 30 minutes video per month. So it's okay, because if you create a 1 minute video, so that's mean 30 videos is month. It's really good for a beginner. Okay, so I hope you clear that. Okay, so let's sign up with a Gmail account. So click on sign in button. Alright, and you can sign in with your Gmail account. So already I just signed in, just click on there and you have to choose your Gmail account and it will directly go to the dashboard. And dashboard is pretty much simple, very simple. There is nothing else. So you can see, just input your video link. Okay guys, so let's again copy the video URL and just paste it here. Okay, and looking for shorts, here you can see they are already generated different kind of, so within a seconds. Here you can see 3 shorts over there, 34 seconds, 40 seconds, 29 seconds. Short 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's check the first short. So click on arrow button and you will see short details, about duration 40 seconds, and you will see the start and end time, and here you go the script over there. Okay, so click on edit and export.
All dull moments, try not to over explain things. If a camera just sits on me and I'm just talking for 20 seconds, it doesn't hold retention as well as, you know, maybe me talking and other footage popping up.
It's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos. It takes way less effort to get 5 million views on one video.
Back then, which I think small YouTubers should do, is I would reply to every single comment.
Yeah.
And so I think a few people caught on that I would always reply. And so some people would just be like, I wonder how long it'll take for him to reply. So that was a lot of my comments when I was smaller, but at least it kept him coming back.
And your analytics, and most of you probably know this, audience.
Alright guys, so this is the editing option where you can select the subtitle style, whatever you want. There are multiple subtitle styles, so you can choose. So right now we are using this one, and the subtitle transition is word bounce. So alright, here you can see the subtitle transition is word bounce. Also you can select a subtitle bounce, none, or slide up. Okay, and also or highlights. Also you can change this color. Okay, let's change this color. Here you can see the red color. Alright, and then subtitle splitting, so you can, and 20 letters is perfect. And subtitle position you can set bottom, top, middle. So bottom is the perfect place. Okay, and the font settings also you can change the fonts, very fantastic. And you can change also font settings, color, outline. Okay, enable uppercase. Also you can enable a background box. Producing any videos, just make sure your settings like subtitle, colors, different kind of background, or whatever you want. Okay, so just select this, and you can see total videos is 34 seconds, but you can see the long format. Okay, so make sure it's 34. That's been okay, 34. So you can change the layout, like this is portrait format. That's mean if you want to make shorts video or reels video or TikTok video, so definitely you have to select portrait. So it would be longer version for YouTube, but portrait is perfect for. Okay, and so everything is done. So let's click on export.
Which I think small YouTubers should do, is I would reply to every single comment.
Yeah.
And so I think a few people caught on that I would always reply.
5 million views on one video, then 50,000 views on 100 videos. Takes way less effort to get 5 million views in one video.
Back then, which I think small YouTubers should do, is I would reply to every single comment.
Yeah.
And so I think a few people.
So this is really amazing. So you can create this kind of videos. So if it's yours, it's okay, no problem. So I have used many tools, but this tools is amazing. It's really easy to use and user friendly. Interface is okay. So you can just grab your favorite YouTubers or any talk show or any YouTube link and just paste it here, and you can create and edit as much as you can.